Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify images not loading on your store. So, are your Shopify's images not loading properly, appearing broken, or taking too long to display? This can affect user experience and sales. And here's how you can fix it. So, step 1 is checking your image URLs. Simply navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes, then navigate to edit code section. Now, open the theme.liquid and check for broken image URLs. Look for the img tags and ensure that src attribute has a valid URL. If images are missing, re-upload them in files under Shopify settings. Now, step 2 is optimizing image size and format. So you can use JPEG or WebP formats instead of PNG for faster loading. You can also keep the image files sizes below 200 KB for better speed. Also, you can use Shopify's built-in image optimizer by adding a code in your themes file. Now, step 3 is fixing the lazy loading issues. So Shopify themes use lazy loading, which may prevent images from appearing. Simply open the edit code section, navigate to theme.liquid and remove loading is equal to lazy from the img tags. So you can press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and type in loading is equal to, and if lazy loading is needed, replace it. Now, step 4 is clearing cache and checking browser issues. So, open your store in incognito mode to check if the issue is browser related. You can also click on three-dotted icon at the top, click on settings, navigate to privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear, select cookies and other site data, and clear your browser cache and refresh the page. If you are using Chrome, right click inspect console to check for image errors. Now, by following these steps, your Shopify images should load properly and improve store performance. Try these fixes and watch your store look better instantly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.